In this video, I will show you how to remove object from your photo using Object Remover in Galaxy OneUI6. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Oftentimes, object eraser tools are available only on apps like Photoshop or AI websites. But now, for Samsung users, it's basically a new feature inside your gallery app. Let's say you want to open a photo from your gallery just like this. And we'll try to erase this airplane from the picture. What you will do is click this edit button, then click these four dots. In here, select Object Eraser. Now encircle the object that you want to erase. This will work on any object or people. The selection will show us the purple area. Now click Erase. Then, in a matter of seconds, the object is now erased. Take note that depending on your photo, sometimes the result may not be that perfect. I also want to erase the shadow of the airplane, so I will encircle the shadow. Then click Erase. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.